So if you or someone that you know suffers from headaches, migraines, muscle soreness, or brain fog, one of the leading causes of brain fog and leading causes of migraines, believe it or not, is deficiency in sodium in your water. Now, I'm not talking about iodized table salt, I'm talking about pink Himalayan sea salt. Remember, there are no pain receptors in the brain. This is why brain surgery is painless. But there are tons of pain receptors in the covering of the brain, which is called the dura, and it's like a saran wrap that's wrapped over the top of your brain. So this saran wrap, this dural covering, hates two things. It hates being stretched and it hates being contracted. So when it's being stretched or contracted, this is when you get pain, and it's a diffuse pain all over your head. Do you wake up a few times a week or a few times a month with a dull headache? Very likely it's your sodium content. So I'm going to teach you how to make something called a sea salt soleil. This is basically free. You can go and get pink Himalayan sea salt. Please make sure that it's pink Himalayan sea salt or Celtic salt, Celtic salt. You can get that at your grocery store. And the first step is not that not that much measured. We just basically take pink Himalayan salt. We dump a bunch of it into a glass. Notice that I'm not being careful about how much I dump in there. And then what you're going to want to do is just stir that salt up. And then I want you to wait until you see the salt settle on the bottom of the glass. The only thing I'm after is a known concentration. You see, when this water won't hold any more salt, I know that it's saturated. That's a concentration that I know. So, by the way, please don't drink this. That's a self-correcting error. You'll never forget the day that you drank this because you'll go straight to the commode. You'll spend the next 4 hours on the commode, emptying out the back door. So, just so that you don't spend the next few hours on the commode, the next step is very important. What we're going to do, wait for the sea salt to be gathered on the bottom of the glass. Find a tablespoon. You're going to take 2 tablespoons of this water, 1, 2, and put it in a gallon of water. Don't drink this. Take 2 tablespoons from here, put it in a gallon of water, put that in your refrigerator, and then you're going to drink from that gallon of water. You can make coffee with it. You can make tea with it. You can make Crystal Light with it. You can do whatever you want with that water, but that's what you want to drink in the mornings, at least 10 ounces of that. And then I promise you, migraine headaches may become a permanent thing of your past, along with muscle soreness, leg cramps, poor response to exercise, brain fog, and headaches. I hope that helps to your health. It's just science.